Hello everyone, this is Sandeep and you are watching Officially Sandeep. Someone is asked to me, my dear, I am not know make of the sentences, how we can develop of myself, how we can learn lot of us. My dear friends, as people I want to say, if you want to improve yourself and if you want to make well in English, my dear friends, you can learn deeply of the grammar portion. Without grammar, you cannot speak fluently and confidently anywhere place. So my dear, because be learning rule of grammar method, because I belong in village and B have not met as type atmosphere where B only watching and B only be watching of people B can set up my mind, because B have to learn rule of grammar, have to do as otherwise you would never get speak, because you have to make as type atmosphere environment and you must consider what are you getting speak, आप क्या बोल पा रहे हैं अपने शब्दों में. You must consider at this talk if you want to improve yourself, and if you do not know make of the sentences, I think that and you belong, because grammar put up to you to speak, because he is giving method how you have to keep your thoughts and in which sentence you have to keep in your audience, between of people, but from the society. I think if you want to improve your communication, if you want to make stronger communication skill, my dear friends, you must watch. I hope you can understand something well here, and you must consider what are you thinking and in which place you are going. It is affect at yourself, taking for your goal, taking for your ambition in your life. My dear friends, if you are thinking, if you want to do well, you have to watch as people who is well and in which field you want to go. I think that if you would watch, in your mind come a positive activity and we will do work of them. I think that we learn watching of people and we think that when we watch of another people, what they are and what am I, when we comparison, when we compare of myself from the another people, then we are doing well in my life. And my dear friends, you must know that at this talk, if you are thinking as, you can do well and you can learn well. You must consider a lot of us taking for your ambition, what are you and in which place, in which way you are running, taking for your goal. You must consider at this talk if you want to change, if you want to gain well in your life, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. I hope you can change yourself. I think that we, when we are going some place as where someone not know about myself, but also we cannot know about of them, but we consider that person behavior will be as, and we also they are considering about myself. So my dear friends, also you must think about yourself, about your goal, what you want to do and whatever you want to be in your future. I think that if we know that about myself, what we have to make, what we have to achieve, if we are running behind of them, if we are giving time, I think that we can reach of that place if we are doing hard work, taking off that topic, taking off that subject in my life. Also you must know that at this talk, I hope you can change yourself and you must consider a lot of us, what are you, and you must always compare yourself, my dear friends, instead criticizing of people. If you are thinking something, you must think deeply. If you want to do well in your life, if you want to gain well in your life, my dear friends, my dear brother, also we are trying to do well in my life, and we are trying to learn well, because I want to improve of myself. Also you can improve your communication skill, and you can change yourself, and you can learn a lot of us. If you are a student, if you want to do well in your life, if you want to think about your self, about your family, what are you and what you want to be in the future, you must consider. So if you are studying in class 12th, so you must consider, you must think, taking for your future, in which field you want to choose, because we are confusing lot of us, taking of my future, what we have to do and what we have to be. My dear friends, if you are well, if you are well in mathematics, if you are well in biology, and you must think deeply in which field you would choose, thinking deeply, otherwise you will be play. Think that I will do and I will change of myself, because we are trying, we are doing some practice taking of that topic. I hope you can do well and you can learn well. If you are watching to me, you can join